Hey guys, welcome to Ruzi Vlog, Sultanate of Oman.
This is Oman, baby.
And today, as you know, a couple of weeks we have came for a CSR, a beach cleaning activity. The same thing, and today, this week, on Friday, today, we're going to have a planting trees. So today we came from Muscat to Suwaiq, almost 1.5 hours we have traveled, and today we are here. You can see a new Al Aqsa Girls School. So today we are going to have a CSR corporate social responsibility on this location. We going to plant a trees. So here we go. I will show the team how you are going to work. So today we have came from Muscat to Suwaiq, almost 100 kilometers we have traveled. From morning we have started like 6 o'clock, and with our team is getting ready for this planting the trees. So I will explore the today activity of CSR. So thank you for watching this video. Those who are coming from my channel, subscribe the channel, share, click the bell icon, and stay tuned for more videos.
Everyone has to do this beautiful responsibility. Today we came for CSR, Social Corporate Responsibility, in Sultanate of Oman, Voltas, Oman. They are organized company to plant the trees. We have came here for Suwaiq, Al Aqsa Girls School. So finally today we came for the CSR program. A couple of weeks we have done beach cleaning activity. So today we came for Suwaiq to have a wonderful event, and it is every responsibility to have this wonderful planting. So we have some reviews and feedback from our colleagues.
Hi, thanks. This is Narendran. Thanks to our management to do the social responsibility after the beach cleaning 2 weeks back. Now today we are came at Al School, at the women's school, Suwaiq. Thanks to the school management to do the opportunity to plant some trees around 10 trees. Really happy to be the social responsibility. Thanks to our management for the wonderful opportunity. Also, all our came. Also, young generation also came for the social efforts. Really happy actually to do the participate. Apart from some all came from family. So thanks to everyone. Thanks for coming, everyone. Hello, brother. What you are doing?
Today we are in CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. Today we came for Laksa High School in Suwaiq. So we are planting the trees in our so this is a very good moment.
Okay. Brother, why this stick required?
Support. It's required for the support to do not disturb others and it should not die.
How much
We have
time
to keep
required?
properly.
How much time required? The stick.
It is required for to this plant to get strong at least minimum 15 to 1 week, 1 month.
Okay, brother. Thank you.
Hey guys, so finally today we came and for the Suwaiq to plant the trees. As he told you before, CSR successfully we have done our responsibility, and each and everyone you have to do this beautiful responsibility. So today we came morning 6 o'clock and we have reached here 7:30. So 2 schools we have done. One is higher secondary and one is lower secondary. So almost we have done more plans. So I want to thank to our colleagues and our team who have and they given very good feedbacks also. So you have to do the same corporate responsibility everywhere. So this is not only for the corporate responsibility, this is each and humanity responsibility to plant the trees in global. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. So I will see you soon on next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Subscribe the channel. Hey guys, today as you know that we have done our CSR. You can see how we have sweat, and really I want to thank our management and as well as our colleague team. Without any expectation, they have done a very good responsibility and very good job. So here we go. We will meet Mr. Gulam Bhai to have some positive and a very good feedback. Gulam Bhai, tell me something. How you feel in this CSR? Being new to Voltas, a couple of weeks we have done the beach activity. So today we came for Suwaiq to planting the tree. How you feel?
ये देखिए, ये हमारा इसी की एक श्रृंखला है। जैसा कि हम लोग पिछले वीक में हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था हमारी कंपनी में, उसी का ये सेकेंड पार्ट है। फर्स्ट में हम लोगों ने, क्योंकि हमारी कंपनी का ये पर्यावरण बचाने का एक मुहिम चल रहा है जो हम लोग बीच बीच में हम लोग करते रहते हैं। लास्ट वीक में हम लोगों ने बीच क्लीनिंग करके एक संदेश दिया है कि हम सबको इसी तरह से अपने पर्यावरण को बचाने के लिए आगे आना चाहिए और जो भी हो सकता है हम करें। सेकेंड, ये पर्यावरण बचाने के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़, हमसे भी ज़रूरी चीज़ हमारी ये पेड़ पौधे हैं। क्योंकि जिस तरह से दुनिया में ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ती जा रही है, हीट बढ़ती जा रही है, तो उसके लिए अगर बचना, जिसके वजह से बहुत सारे हादसे हो रहे हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हैं हमारे कंट्री में हो रहे हैं, यहाँ भी हो रहे हैं, तो इससे बचने के लिए एक ही तरीका है कि पर्यावरण को सबसे ज़रूरी बचाए। पर्यावरण बचाने का सबसे ज़रूरी तरीका है प्लांटेशन, पौधा लगाना। मैं सबसे गुजारिश करना चाहूँगा कि आप कम से कम एक लाइफ में एक पौधा जरूर करें, चाहे जहाँ भी आप यहाँ पे हों, अपने घर पे हों। और इसके लिए मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा अपनी कंपनी का और अपने मैनेजमेंट का, कि जो इस तरह से बीच बीच में इस तरह का प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करके एक संदेश देना चाहते हैं दुनिया को कि आप भी आगे आएँ और इस अच्छे काम में बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लें। शुक्रिया।
Thank you. Thank you.